I charged the battery fully and now it says 9 minutes. So.
We've done it forever. We've been videoing forever. This is taking us at least 3 hours. What is that? Yeah, strawberry shortcake dress. For you? Wow. How neat. It matches your kitchen. Santa sure knew what to bring you this year. You take it out?
Yeah, take it out so I can wear it. Daddy, look! I got strawberry shortcake.
You're stuck, Shelly?
There's so much.
There, you got it.
Dress on.
Yep.
It's about the 4th time we've changed clothes this morning.
Yeah,
That's
everything's
what I
it's in
said.
there.
At least.
Thank you. That's the strawberry. I got a snap in the back. Oh, where are you trying to go? Can you go over there?
Mama.
Here, come sit and
Needs
help
help.
you. Oh, turn your arm the other way. Hold on. Oh. Okay, snap in the back. Wow. Let's see what else you have for it.
What's this?
Oh, wow.
Let's see.
What's
Can you,
this?
that looks like her hat, I think. The strawberry shortcake hat.
Wow.
Mom, can you reach those 6lets before she gets them?
Which way are they open? No, they're not.
Oh, I thought they were open. No, they are.
There.
Wow. Let's see what else we have.
And there's a hat right there.
That's the hat?
Daddy,
Oh, you look beautiful.
You do. I love that hair.
That's a hat. It's like red.
How's she wearing her hat?
Strawberry shortcake, red hair.
Because she's like a strawberry, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. You better go check yourself out in the mirror.
Okay.
These tights. Huge. Look at these tights are.
Daddy, why does
Cute.
Mama, why does strawberry shortcake hair red hair?
Because she's like a strawberry. She has red hair like a strawberry. That's why she's called strawberry shortcake.
Mom, can I put my tights on?